Happy Sunday. Welcome to Soccer Gist Arena. This be the Bunker edition. Like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Wolves 2, Chelsea 6. Something we never expect. Baba, how you see the game?
For me, the beginning of the match, I check like now Wolves the pressure, they attack me aggressive.
Yeah.
But as we come in for the second half, as you say, some changes become inside. If you manage score that is good. So I say like the nice game,
Okay. So today we see Maresca ball. How you see like in tactics, in movements, like how he positioning players from the start to finish. You know, say first half Chelsea no really see the game top like that, but the second half, no, something change. What should the fool say you do right way, it make you win the game?
Oh, Maresca, if you see formation now, the plan B, but all they depend for the players them at top, how they go adapt. That be the issue. But as I talk, the second half, as he bring this one, perimeter for the game inside, as I say, he made that changes. So that changes for Chelsea score that 4 goals make 6.
Okay. So today we see say it starts Mudryk for the setup inside. Now they expect to make it start because as I say, bunch of people they complain say if will not start, but he starts. So how in general the setup and how you see him?
Oh, Mudryk, now for me, now I expect he will start this match.
Yeah.
Now I say maybe he will start, maybe in Kuku or maybe perimeter.
Yeah.
But as in press conference, say this match, perimeter will be fit enough to start this game.
Okay.
But now I don't expect Mudryk. But I expect maybe Kuku will start.
Okay.
But all the same, Charlie. Okay. I'll make happy say we score 6. We win the game. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So especially in the first half, no. How you they see Caicedo in performance? Because now it be poor. We always see him. What do they make of in performance, especially in the first half? What do they feel say make now you know they sit up?
Oh, for the second goal there, it be in there where they take the ball away, they go stay score. Yeah. But the first goal there, I don't know say be in there, yeah. But in general, first half of the year, you don't play anything. Caicedo no sit up for the first half. That one there. But as second half, as I told you, coaches do some changes. If you got all the players, they play better for the second half inside. But the first half of the year, like I said, now you struggle. If you are made for them, nobody can say no. Enzo them, so then they struggle for the first half inside. So, Charlie big ups to the players.
So, Wolverhampton, you know, say off late or be like for some seasons now, they really they worry you. Especially you go them at home, they really they worry you. So, coming into this game, now you get them say you go fit score them for them at home there.
Oh, for a football fan, yeah. I will talk say now I dey fear, but you say I be Chelsea fan. Yeah. So now I get him say we go fit do something, but now they expect say we go fit score that 6. Yeah, because for our past matches, even last season, they score you home and away. And so now I dey fear say maybe if you go win crampo now, not be this kind of goal margin like 4 goal margin. But now I feel say maybe you go fit do something. Yeah.
So the 6 you scored. What do they feel say the coach do right, especially for the second half? Will make you guys come get that number of goals?
Oh, in changes, changes what you do for the second half, we change everything. As it can bring perimeter for the game, is that you know how to play the ball, not to be good player. That be informal side too. So you know the defenders was. So as I say, maybe take advantage of that situation where if you play that ball, good ball give Chelsea.
So Madueke, you get his first hat-trick for Chelsea. Yeah. So arguably the best player on the field today. What did they make of his performance?
Oh, Madueke, he be good player. But what if you do say if like step up in game, if he makes serious from the game side, I just say he go start plenty of our matches. Because the way he play today, see say Madueke like he be good player, but he left one of 2 things. If you make like good of the ball, if you make good of the ball, yeah, he go play well. Madueke be good player.
So your next game, you expect this lineup now, or you expect some changes go there inside? Maybe they go bench some people, they go add some new faces. What do they expect?
I should say our next game the changes will come inside. I'm not sure say Mourinho go start. So confirm they play Gal fellas, they perimeter come inside where they play the ball. I'm not sure if Mourinho go start our next game, but all they say, them all with Chelsea players, if they come out, they say if a player will give the team. So if you did the part top, if you don't say they play with Chelsea, so if you make one give the team, that be all.
So last week as you play against it, squad they complain, you guys they talk, say this, some people they against the coach, but today we see different things. So you expect say the coach, you go fit turn around things, you go fit make you like you go fit take you back to that force now you do. They think say you go fit do well.
Oh, boy, there be time. Time go tell. Right? You know if you take 2 or 3 matches, get the coach say the coach he good or he bad. But from in 3 matches, he play 3 matches where he win 2, where he draw, he lose 1. But not be any team will be City where he lose. But if you see, I say the formation that is in the day. But as I say, it depends on the players, how they will manner adapt the coaching plan. If they feel really adapt very earlier, it will help. But if you don't adapt early to another one, you go worry the team.
Okay, so talking about time, you mentioned say them forgive the coach time, but your previous coach, you don't really give him that time like that. So you feel say maybe if like they give Pochettino two time, it go feel work out, or you watch like this, or you say Pochettino that he just maybe try.
Opportunity he try give Chelsea. Pochettino there, now you know should be bad coach like that. But he say if he in the board, no, them get some misagreements. That why Pochettino left. But all the same, last season Pochettino at the end of the season, he try give Chelsea. But at the beginning of the season, now you know see Thomas the season come end, I see now he perform well give Chelsea.
Joao Felix to come, he can't score in first goal. Neto assistant, or them the new signings. I feel say the new signings where they put them for inside today, or like them or them do okay, them or them play really well. So what do they feel say like make the coach do from today going, if they fix them or they for relax, watch them for some time before they go start them.
Oh, me I say this match in there, the coach they go take this match doing first, like go doing first 11 for our next matches. Second, some players be there, I'm not sure say they go play. Like as I said earlier, moving like this, I'm not sure say and that's when we go start. But what I was supposed to say, go play that Neto guy because he be 1v1, he be direct player. 1v1, he be good for 1v1. So if they play Mudri then Pedro Neto then this one will be them down for the put them sir. I should say they go help bad our problem with the back line. Our defense with the problem. Chelsea everything with the back line, but if you manner solve the situation for the back line, they are so say we go well for this season.
So some few days to the end of transfer window, they feel say they go do new signings for that centre back position, or they feel say they go maintain these ones now.
Maybe for now they are not sure say they go. If they go sign player, they go be attacker. That go for now me I know. But what they go on say if Chelsea get new centre back and they go buy, they priority be attacker. They be number nine. But I mean I'm not sure say maybe they will sign any defender again. But all they say if they remain for the Chelsea, the place where they if they remain for there, they will make sure say they go defend our goal post DV. So the way City they do, they go score, but they too they defend. City spend more than billion over play for the defense, and so Chelsea for look sharp. Because Premier League there, if you defend no good, they go fit score 10, they go score you 9. It be so way Premier League there. So if you there, they for make steady for the back there. If they do everything will be very good Chelsea.
Your final words.
Oh, my final words they say make them give the coach time. Maresca make them give him time. If they give him time where prove himself, that way go get him. Make him like maybe the beginning of the season. We go fit get the coach, but go fit take 2 or 3 matches. Talk say the coach in Isha. But I mean, I believe in the coach. I believe in philosophy. I believe what they do. The way they be straightforward coach, I like. If they talk, you say you go fit his style. That's what I like. Maybe say I go try Macho Makwe. I don't like that thing. Straightforward coach, like the way Arteta and Pep they do for City and Arsenal. So that what the coach they do, me I believe him. But what I was to say, we will give him time. Time will prove his body give him. Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.